Guys, today I want to go ahead and show you this new tool that I've been trying to play around with the last couple of weeks. I just haven't had the time, but I just found I saw something today that really intrigued or piqued my interest, and it's using this new tool called Copy.ai. Um, Pretty cool tool. You're gonna go ahead. I'll leave a link in the description and to go ahead and just create your own account using Google or whatever it may be, or just your email, whatever you want to do. Just go ahead and create the account. Then once you do, so what I want to do is I have an Etsy shop that I run with my wife. Um, she creates these designs, and yeah, we push them online. I also have a 3D printer, and as a hobby, I'll print out some 3D designs and post them up for sale. I'm actually missing my last couple in here, but yeah. So what I want to do is I want to be able to um, take some of these, let's just say this Bad Bunny mock-up or this Bad Bunny listing that I have here, and I want to, and you need to read, in order to sell, you need to make sure that your descriptions are on point, keywords are there, and things are persuasive. You want to be able to sell. This isn't really that's sexy at all. So what this tool, the tool that I'm going to use here, there's a few different tools, but what I'm going to show you today is this product descriptions here. What this tool does is it basically uses artificial intelligence or AI to type up something that looks a lot better than something that's gonna pique the interest of your buyers. So let's get into this and let's go ahead and play around with this and see what it does. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go into Copy AI and you're gonna create an account, like I said. Then you're going to come down here into product descriptions. You're going to go ahead and fill this information out. So let's just go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste and just see how cool it is. And then copy this description here. We're going to come back and paste that here. Then choose your tone. This is how do you want the AI to communicate back to you? How do you, what type of tone? And for something that I'm trying to sell, I want it to be persuasive. I'm trying to sell something, so I want to persuade the client to buy. So that is it. There's this option here to supercharge, but we'll leave that blank for now. And then let's go ahead and create the content. Give it a second. It's magically creating a copy. It can take up to 30 seconds. Oh, that was fast. And here we go. Creates you about 4 to 5 different descriptions that you could use for your listing. Classic unisex jersey short sleeve tee fits like a well-loved favorite. You know what I forgot to do? Short sleeve. Let's add the name Bad Bunny. Short sleeve. Yes, jersey. Oops. There you go. Let's start that again. Let's create that again. Using Bad Bunny. Let's see if it knows who that is, or is it able to pull any information on who, if it's an artist. Okay, I see his name there. Comfortable size jersey. Too well fit. If you love it so much, you'll want to buy it more than one. This Bad Bunny unisex. I'm mad at. Let's remove this and try again. I don't like those measurements. Oh, this is beautiful. Then I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste that into listing here. We will, that's fine. Just to make sure everything is good here. Of course, apply that. What am I missing? It's accurate. What am I missing? It's one thing I hate about that's just so much crap. 30 days. Destination. Don't need that. Let's just go ahead and. No, we can't do that. Shipping. That's where I'm at. I can't do shipping, huh? Nope. Ah, there we go. I guess it just didn't like that first initial. So there you go. So now I have a new listing on my Etsy shop where I utilized AI to create the descriptions here. Let's go see it live. So if you go to my shop, Power Couple Creations, it's just saying, and let's see it on Etsy. Here you go. Here's the shirt on my shop. Power Couple Creations. It's new. I got a 1-star review because shipping sucked on one of my 3D designs and it arrived broken. Even though he said it was awesome, it was packed, wrapped up very tightly, no problem. How did it break? I don't. Yeah, so I was kind of upset. But anyways, look at that description here. Pretty cool. Let's see if that increases the chances of this getting seen. Either way, you go ahead and do that for each one of your listings. And if you're like me, have 30 listings, it's going to take you minutes rather than hours, which is why I am in love with this AI crap. But tell me what you think. I am in love with it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and keep playing, and I will come up with a lot more tools. I have a few more videos on the rest of these tools here.